Hi everyone, my name's Mark and today I'm going to review this concrete mixer. This one is 134 litre concrete mixer from Screwfix. Product number there is 10107. So if you're thinking about buying one, this will give you an idea of what to expect. I'm going to unbox this, set it up, and then hopefully put it to some use and then see what it's like. I've never bought a concrete mixer or cement mixer before, so this is a first for me. But hey, you know, I've got big projects around here to do, so see what it's like.
Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you want to be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Yo, set your affirmations, aspirations. I got shit to do, the aftermath of preparation. Good food, good mood, blood in circulation. One step at a time, yeah, that's how you make it. Set a goal you control and the steps you take them. I try to pick one thought, have some concentration. And if I make a mistake, it's called education. I try to do this every day, call it replication. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 So life ain't easy, yo, I think there's a reason though. Ups and downs, just like every different season, yo. Sometimes I'm high, other times I'm barely breathing, though. I always gotta fight and hide from the demons, yo. Negative thoughts are poison, they rot. Head full of flies, so here come the clouds. They'll never stop.
Right, all done. Took me about 35 minutes to put together. A little bit fiddly with some of the bolts. It does come with a spanner. They do supply you with a spanner, but you need a second one to hold the back nuts. So yeah, get yourself an adjustable, because also the nuts that hold the motor on, they're quite small and they don't provide you with anything to fix them. So pick up an adjustable before you start building. Right, but there she is, all done. As you can see, motor's on the back, on-off button, pretty straightforward, simple. Motor was bolted to the back. This frame obviously detaches for when you're moving it around, that's why the wheels are there, so it obviously doesn't get used that much. The stand, again, is quite robust, very hefty, so yeah, hopefully this is going to last a while. When you put it on the stand, it gives you an extra nut to screw in, so I suppose if you're using it for a while, save it jumping off, tighten that down. But there she is. As you go, I don't know if you can see inside, you can see the paddles that mix, they have to be bolted on. But you know, she seems pretty well built. I mean, I don't know what, I think the kind of normal standard professional one is made by Bell, but these are about 1/3 of the price, so you know, it's a big saving. So hopefully it does what I needed to do for maybe a year or so. You know, I've got loads of mixing up to do, loads of concrete to do, small jobs, big jobs, and a bit of bricklaying, I guess. So yeah, seems pretty good. I'm pretty pleased so far. I'm going to turn her on and have a look. So I've plugged her in. This is an electric 240 volt if you're in America. So I plugged her in. Just start her up. There you go. Twisting away. They suggest that you put a bit of water in it before you start mixing it, so obviously get it to stop the cement from sticking to the side. So every time you do a load, throw a bit of water in it, but I'm sure I don't need to tell you that. It's pretty obvious that. But yeah, it's pretty quiet. I mean, if you can hear it. So that's my little Screwfix cement mixer, or concrete mixer as they want to call it. So yeah, that's it. I'm going to throw a load of cement and some ballast in there and make a bit of concrete. I'll show you what it looks like afterwards. Right, here we go. I've got the water, I've got the different types of sand, cement. I've got my wheelbarrow ready. I'm going to do a 4-in-1 mix. See how she goes.